KASPA might also be another altcoin to keep on your radar these coming weeks because we can see it is absolutely on fire, printing some very impressive candles here on the last 7 days. And looking at the month, you can see it's really looking good, nearly a 2x. Now, I don't want to kind of deflate this whole thing, but do remember, if you are looking to buy into KASPA or you're aping in with a large quantity of liquidity, you are buying into a coin that has already done, well, let's just call it a 100x. So this has done a 90x. It's done something very big in the past, and it did, of course, launch around 2022 October period. So it's been years. And it's actually a good thing that we've seen no corrections that have taken it back down to the floor price. But don't be hunting a 100x from here. Now let's move on. Let's talk about KASPA sitting at 0.1772. It's up 10x on the year, which is really, really good to see. The market cap is looking solid. We've got 83% of circulation in, well, flow right here. That's 23.8 billion KASPAs and $4.2 billion market capital. So can we hunt maybe a 2 to 5 to maybe even 10x on KASPA this coming bull run? That is my question that I want to answer for myself, and I am curious to see what could happen here. So we can see firstly KASPA is heading to Vegas. How cool is that? KASPA events June 17 and 18, we're seeing KASPA go to Las Vegas, which could of course help with some numbers. We could see some more volume, some more hype around the KASPA project. Just want to talk about recent happenings on the price structure here. So it does look exciting, and it kind of repeat the same thing twice. KASPA came up, corrected by 40%, as we can see, kind of went into like a falling wedge. Then we see 46% correction for KASPA here. It did the same thing. It kind of went into a falling wedge and actually pumped out. So I can actually kind of believe that we've got a lot of support written in now by all of these candles that have just sort of wicked down and bought back up and held on that sideways consolidation. We certainly have a lot of support at 10 cents for KASPA, so that could indeed be a good buying opportunity. So what I will do there, just to show you guys how I do it, I'm going to add a buy alert. And the way I'm going to do this is once the price crosses this region here, I'm going to get a KASPA buy alert when the price does go back down to 10 cents. If it even goes down to 10 cents these coming weeks or days, I will get a notification. I will get an email, I'll get a pop-up and a notification in the app, and I can create this and it will alert me maybe KASPA's worth buying around this particular period. You can also do those sort of things as well with TradingView. So wow, bullish, really, really bullish. We can see KASPA is up from the beginning of May, which was a month ago, when things are a bit boring. It's up about 71%. Now the number we want to be chasing is $0.191. This will get you to an all-time high for KASPA. This will also provide a price discovery. I do want to also mention and just show you that we are a bit overbought on this relative strength index. Typically your overbought region here is sort of where you don't want to be FOMOing too much and buying in with large quantities, but your buy region is always down here in the 29.36 sort of daily RSI. That's where your fear is, that's where the oversold period is, and that's where you're more likely to get bigger bang for every dollar that you put into the market, because you're buying a lower average versus the retail money. The smart accumulate low, the retail accumulate up here. So you can start sort of reducing your average entry price by buying in touch with the relative strength index. So price-wise, I think big targets here, because we could see a new all-time high for KASPA very soon. I think if we just realistically look at our 1.4, our 1.6 Fibonacci, 0.226 to 0.24 dollars could be good areas and points of interest to be looking at. That's a possibility. It would also take us up to the diagonal, where we've got this diagonal resistance trend line. So I do think 0.23, solid number to be looking at right now. Not financial advice, of course, but that would deliver about 36% gains. Of course, we are overbought on the daily time frame, so we could still come down. I'm not saying this will 100% just go up first. We may even see a small pullback down to a lower support level. We might firstly pull back to maybe 0.14 and then start doing it again and then make our breakout. So I don't know how it's going to happen, because I don't have a crystal ball, so to say. But we can start to see that it is on its way. It's moving up to its price discovery. It will go to price discovery once it breaks through that 0.19 level. So really, really good to see. Please, guys, if you're new here, subscribe to the channel. If you want to hit your crypto goals, like the video as well. Let's talk about this article and see what they think. KASPA crypto jumps big. Will KASPA price record a new all-time high this month? The cryptocurrency market continues to display a bit of a mixed sentiment. It is, because it's very sideways at the moment. We can see, look, KASPA price recorded a surge of 320%. in its trading volume and added approximately 10% price over the last 24 hours. It's added 6.92% within the past day, 40% over the past 30 days, and it is a bullish outlook. It says here, how high can KASPA go? It says if the market holds the price above the support of 0.14, which is kind of where we just sort of suggested actually, because you can see you've got quite a bit of support around these regions here. So 0.14, I would say, is a decent support region. We could see the bulls push it to a resistance of 1.62. If the bulls continue to overpower, then we're looking at 0.183. 0.183 is not an all-time high, but it's getting close. And it doesn't actually talk about what all-time high number we can see for KASPA. So that's why I've decided to add it myself, which is that Fibonacci price discovery between 25 cents and 22 cents. So pretty good stuff. If you guys are new here, do also join my crypto Discord down below. And on the note of that, if you want to become a patron, unlock over 500 trading signals per month, access to stealth launches, straight to DEX coins, pre-sales, next early alpha calls and buy signals. It's all in the Crypto Legend package down below in the Patreon, or you can consider becoming a crypto champion. There's only 15 slots available for that one. And when looking at the Crypto Warrior, we've got 19 slots available for the more budget-friendly tiers as well. So check out the Patreon link down below if you want to enhance your crypto portfolio. Thank you to all current patrons as well as all the new people and existing. You guys are amazing, so I appreciate that, to see the growth. And all that VIP stuff will be in the Discord channel. Once you do become a patron, it's all found in the Discord channel. What else is going on in the markets? I wanted to talk about quickly this altcoin, Play to Earn meme coin, just hit 1,600 followers, known as Play Doge. A few days ago, they barely even scraped to $1 million raised. They're now at $1.7 million. 2 days, 1 hour to go. It says Play Doge, the best play to earn companion. So this is a blast to the past of nostalgia, 90s nostalgia, shall we say, of Tamagotchi. You get to care for your Play Doge. You get to play some in-game cool things as well. You've got like a hint here of Space Invaders. They're going to list on a centralized exchange as well, according to them down here. And overall, it just looks like a bullish ecosystem. Very fun environment. 9.4 billion total tokens with 50% allocated to the pre-sale at 4.7 billion. Could this be a new 2 to 10x opportunity? Well, do your own research as always. It's a BEP20 token. One play token is 0.00502, and you can buy play tokens by connecting your MetaMask wallet and basically transferring either Ether, BNB, or Tether into your desired amount of play tokens. I'll leave the link down below for you guys to do your own due diligence and research, but do remember this is high risk, high reward stuff. Lastly, want to just say, with the KASPA side of things, trading is great, but it can be ruined by modern regulations, and KSEX, this lovely exchange here, allows you to mitigate those regulations. So effectively, KSEX is a centralized exchange where you don't have to KYC, and it's also USA, Canada friendly. So if you want to get trading, save fees, you want to save money on fees, you want to also not have to give up your sort of personal data, your privacy, you can withdraw up to 15 Bitcoin every day, KYC free. So the link is down below for KSEX as well. Thanks, ladies and gents, for checking out the channel. Let me know down below what you think will happen with KASPA coin. Are we on the brink for a new all-time high? You can see this looks super bullish. Oh yes, the bulls are fully in control with this right now. But do remember, what goes up must come down. And I do think we'll see a correction at some point, but maybe first we hit the all-time high and then see a correction. Thanks for watching. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now. Peace. Subscribe if you're new here.